go get this garage open. How you like it?
Blue. I like that blue.
What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. I don't even really know what to say, man. It's just one thing after the other with this build. Man, but I got a solution. So when I put tranny fluid in it, I switched the gears. They all going forward. So I don't know what the hell going on. So I just said, freak it, man. I'm gonna just take it to the transmission shop and let them handle it from here. Cause I don't know nothing about no damn transmission, I ain't gonna lie. So, and while they got it, I might as well add gears and posi and all that shit too. So y'all be on the lookout for that, man. So I'm waiting on the tow truck, and I had them tow it up to the transmission shop. They gonna work on it, fit it in while they doing whatever they doing. Then we should be good. So I can try to meet the deadline of April 24th to get you this car show, man. I'm tired of having my shit in the garage. I'm ready to drive it. So whatever it is, I'm finna go ahead and get it done. And we wait on the tow truck, and then I'll take y'all with me to the trans shop, and that'll be it, man. I'm out. Oh. You guys, I got the trans from the junkyard, so it was a 50-50 chance that it was gonna work. It wasn't gonna work. So I was prepared for that. I'm fine with that. I'm just glad that I found the 4L80E. So I'm gonna get it rebuilt. We're gonna see what happens. I say about 2 weeks or something like that. Okay, you guys, man, we on our way off to the transmission shop. There we go. Y'all can see that big ass truck right there. If it ain't one thing, it's another, man. We trying to make a deadline. Okay, y'all, man, we up here at Red's Transmission, man. He gonna take care of me, real good care of me, and make sure the swap Nova be running right so I can get to these car shows and drive out of town and do what I need to do. So y'all be looking out and keep watching and stay tuned, man. And hit that subscribe button, the like button, and that notification bell so you won't miss the video. And won't miss the video when I pick it up and do the first burnout. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the first burnout with that positive rear end. Yeah. And I'm gonna get this transmission rebuilt. Get it rebuilt. Y'all can see that under there, man. Tranny all bad, man. Dropping one off, picking one up. Yeah, what's up, you guys, man? I'm here up at Red's Transmission. They gonna take real good care of me, right? Oh, he eating right now. He got a mouthful of food. But yeah, they gonna take care of me. They gonna make sure this Nova is stuck to the ground or whatever it is.
I want to push right here. That thing is not staying outside. Right there.
Yeah, we can't leave that outside. Okay. It's insured too, though.
I don't care.
I know.
Coming inside.
I know. Yeah, we gotta pull that inside, man. Yeah, thank you.
All right, which one of you is the cleanest? Turn around.
Y'all need some rear end work, some transmission work? Come see Red's Transmission. Y'all better watch out, man.
Ready?
See y'all at the red light.